Hey, fabulous ladies over 40. Imagine this. It's 7 a.m., you're slipping into jeans that haven't fit since your 30s, feeling energized like you just chugged a triple espresso, but without the jitters. Sound like a dream? Spoiler, it's your reality waiting to happen. But here's the hook that stops me in my tracks every time. Did you know your body after 40 is like a Ferrari that's been tuned for efficiency? It burns fat smarter, not harder, if you know the cheat codes. I'm Amanda, your no BS fitness coach who's helped hundreds of women just like you ditch the yo-yo diets and hello to feeling fierce. Stick around for 15 minutes, and I'll spill the secrets on weight loss, easy home workouts, killer meals, sleep hacks, and even why fasting might be your new BFF. Hit that like button if you're ready to glow up. Let's dive in. First off, why does weight loss feel like wrestling a greased pig after 40? Blame the hormones, estrogen dips, thyroid slows, and metabolism says, nah, I'm good. But here's the empowering truth. Your body is wiser now. It builds muscle faster, recovers like a boss, and craves real nourishment over junk. Science backs it. Studies from the Journal of Women's Health show women over 40 who strength train lose 2x more fat than cardio bunnies. But let's make this fun. Picture your 20s self versus now. Back then, you could eat pizza at midnight and wake up runway ready. Now, one slice and you're auditioning for the role of Puffy Pillow. Relatable? Drop it in the comments if that's you. Today we're flipping the script. No extreme diets, no gym memberships, just simple science-smart wins. Question for you. What's your biggest fitness frustration over 40? Metabolism? Joints? Share below. We're building a sisterhood here. All right, nutrition time. Forget starving yourself. That's so 1990s. Over 40, we need nutrient-dense fuel to rev that engine. Aim for 1,600 800 calories daily. Tweak based on your size. Comment your height, dark weight if you want a quick calc tip. Focus on protein, 25 g per meal, fiber, and healthy fats to keep blood sugar steady and cravings at bay. Let's make it real with a sample day for a busy mom or boss babe like you. Breakfast, Greek yogurt parfait, 1 cup full-fat Greek yogurt, 20 grana protein, topped with berries, a handful of almonds, and a drizzle of chia seeds. Boom! 300 calories, keeps you full till lunch. Why? Berries fight inflammation, a sneaky saboteur for us over 40. Mid-morning snack, apple slices with a tablespoon of almond butter. Simple, portable, and that fiber slows digestion like a traffic cop on sugar spikes. Lunch, grilled chicken salad, 4 O's chicken breast, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, feta, and olive oil vinaigrette. Add quinoa for extra oomph. Around 450 calories, loaded with anti-aging antioxidants. Pro tip, batch prep Sundays to crush the week. Afternoon snack, carrot sticks with hummus. Crunchy, satisfying, and those beta-carotenes keep your skin glowing. Dinner, baked salmon, 4 O's, omega-3 gold for joint health, steamed broccoli, and sweet potato. 500 calories of pure magic. Salmon tames cortisol, that stress hormone making us hold belly fat. Dessert, dark chocolate square, 70% cocoa, and herbal tea, because life's too short for deprivation. Total day, balanced, delicious, and 1,700 calls. Entertaining twist, I once swapped my client's diet brownie for this salmon. She lost 5 lbs and gained a seafood obsession. Who's trying this tomorrow? Tag a friend in comments who'd love this menu. Now, workouts. Gyms? Overrated. We're talking 20, 30-minute home sessions, 3-4x a week. Over 40, we prioritize strength over endless cardio. Builds metabolism-boosting muscle without joint drama. Warm up with 5 min marching in place. Example routine. Fierce 40 flow. Do 3 rounds, 45 seki each move, 15 sec rest. Wall push-ups. Hands on wall, shoulder width, lower chest to wall, 10, 12 reps. Tones, arms, chest. Hello, perky posture. No saggy bingo wings here. Chair squats. Sit stand from a sturdy chair. 10 reps. Fires up glutes, legs. key for that hourglass shape we love. Fun fact, squats spike growth hormone, your anti-aging elixir. Resistance band rows, loop band around door, pull elbows back like rowing a boat. 12 reps per side, sculpts back, fights that tech neck from scrolling. Plank hold, on forearms, hold 20-30 CK. Core strength, chakti flatter tummy, better balance. Feel that burn? That's your power rising. Marching knee lifts, alternate high knees, 1 mini. Gets heart pumping without bounce. Cool down with child's pose stretch. This burns 200-300 cals, boosts endorphins for that I crushed it high. I had a client, Sarah, 45, start this post-divorce. 3 months in, down 15 lbs, up in confidence, danced at her kid's wedding like nobody's business. Quick question, which move scares you most, planks or squats? Confess in comments, I'll reply with mods. Pause for a plot twist. The real MVP? Sleep. Not the I'll sleep when I'm dead vibe. That's sabotage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Why? Over 40, poor sleep jacks up ghrelin, hunger hormone, by 15% per Sleep Medicine reviews, making you crave donuts at dawn. It tanks leptin, fullness signal, spikes cortisol, fat storer, and slows muscle repair. For body, deep sleep rebuilds tissues, balances hormones, think estrogen harmony for mood and curves. Mind, it clears brain fog, sharpens focus, fights anxiety. One study, women sleeping 7+ hours lost 33% more body fat than 5-hour snoozers. Hack it, wind down with no screens, 1 hour pre-bed, blue light, melatonin thief. Try magnesium tea or a 10-minute gratitude journal. I swear my sleep divorce from Netflix added 5 lbs of loss, effortlessly. How's your sleep game? 7 hours or zombie mode? Spill in comments. Let's troubleshoot together. Hook alert. What if skipping breakfast wasn't punishment, but a power-up? Enter intermittent fasting. IF. Not starvation, but timed eating windows. For women over 40, it's gold. Improves insulin sensitivity. By stubborn fat. Triggers autophagy, cell cleanup for youthfulness, and boosts BDNF, brain fertilizer for clarity. Harvard studies link 16-8 if, eat 12-8 p.m., fast 8 p.m., 12 p.m., to 3-8% weight loss in 3 months, plus lower inflammation. Body perks, rest digestive system, ramps fat burn during fasts. Your liver switches to ketosis mode, like a thrift store for energy. Mind, sharper focus, less decision fatigue. Know what's for breakfast, drama. Start gentle. Black coffee or tea in AM. Break fast with protein. I fasted through perimenopause. Cravings vanished, energy soared. Warning, not for everyone. Chat doc if medicated. Tried fasting, yay or nay, and why? Drop your story below. Bonus points for wins. Recap Queens. Fuel with that sample day menu. Yogurt parfaits to salmon nights. Sweat smart with home flows like squats and planks. Prioritize sleep for hormone harmony. And dip into fasting for that metabolic magic. Mix 'em, you'll drop inches, gain zip, and strut like the icon you are. Over 40 isn't decline. It's your upgrade era. One last question. Which tip hits home hardest? Meals, moves, sleep, or fasting? Comment it, smash subscribe for weekly wins, and share with your ride or die crew. You're not just losing weight. You're claiming you're fabulous. See you next time. Go be unstoppable.
Thanks for watching. Hit like if you're over 40 and owning it. Next up, hormone hacks for hot flashes. Peace out. Always check the description area of this video.